How to add any NFC card to Apple Wallet. If you've ever wondered how to add any NFC card like your transit pass, loyalty card, or even a key card into your Apple Wallet, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you everything you need to know, so let's get started. First things first, make sure your iPhone is NFC compatible. If you have an iPhone 6 or later, your phone supports NFC, so you're good to go. You'll need the latest version of iOS, so make sure your phone is up to date. Simply open settings, go to general and simply tap on software update. Now you'll need NFC tags compatible with Apple Wallet, which you can simply purchase online or on electronic stores. Now make sure your NFC settings are enabled in your iPhone. Open settings and simply go to control center. There you can find the NFC option, but if you cannot find it, what you need to do is simply go to your app store and search for NFC tools, which you can simply install it. Now simply click on get, and after it's installed, simply open it. Now once you open NFC tools, you will see this interface. Simply click on scan and it will simply scan your Apple Wallet's interface, and simply click on join, and that's it. That's how you can simply add any NFC card to Apple Wallet.